We are on Cali River Rapids, where backwards is bad. Also, these people are on Cali River Rapids. Backwards is bad. Backwards. What do you think about it now?
I think it's good.
Backwards is bad. There's Everest. Ooh, I got some already. I'm already wet. We hadn't got to the wet part. See that truck that was going backwards?
Not bad.
It's bad.
Hey, backwards.
Okay, we're about to spin. I think. Oh boy. Oh boy. It's not going to be us. We are not going to be the backwards ones.
Oh, maybe not. It might spin up and go down.
Forwards is good.
The weight distribution.
No, we're going straight.
It might
Here we go. Forwards is bad. Forwards is bad. Forwards is bad. Nowhere is good. I got wet somehow. You don't seem very wet. Now, soon we'll come to the wet part. Oh boy. Here we go. Okay, we survived that.
So what's the wet part?
Hello! Don't do it! Don't do it! Damn. Okay. That's how that goes. Yeah, it turns out directly forwards is also not good.
And sideways. Oh.